pick back in the 2020 draft, trying to vie for that third goaltending position between Springfield and the ECHL. T-Birds now, of course, with an ECHL affiliate in the Florida Everblades. As we're off and running on a Wednesday night here in Springfield with taking up body space either. These 6'7" guys are athletes. Taryn Pfizer in at the other end, shoots and scores! Retrieving right side, looking to feed the point. Falling down is Bushinger. It's a clean break for Chongmin Lee. Lee in alone fires, save made by Cranley, and he covers up the second chance as well on. In the other way. Lee and Duhart trying to dice their way all the way to the goal. Now T-Birds give it up and they score. For Bowie, out of his skates to Jenkins. Jenkins through the C. McLaughlin, one-timer, he scores. Transition through center with speed. It's Pfizer down the right wing. Pfizer driving wide. Murray forced him to the corner, comes out in front of Fairbrother, fires and scores! Driving. Jenkins, left wing circle, the wrist shot off the outside of the post, came out in front, trying to clear, but unable to get it out was Pfizer. Maybe the first mistake Pfizer's made all night, and it ends up in the back of the net. Bow. In his native Sweden a year ago. Silvergard on the left wing, he's a right-hand shooter. Moving to the inside to the forehand, he scores!